Well, hello travel beauties. It is your girl Alexis, and I am here with not a travel video. You could probably tell by the scenery, but a knowledge about traveling, more specifically packing. If you're like me, summer is approaching, COVID restrictions are lifting, and you're probably anxious to hop on a flight and go somewhere amazing. So in order to make your trip less stressful, I would like to help you pack so that your trip, you're not missing the essentials that you may have forgotten. So without further ado, let's get started. The first 3 things that you want to ask yourself when you're getting ready to pack are, whoops, my fault, sis. Remember I was telling you about the 3 things you need to think about when you're packing? Well, hate to do it to you, but make it 4. One of the most important essential thing is the weather. The weather. Are you going to be bringing a carry-on or a checked bag? Because essentially, if you're bringing a carry-on, the things that you pack are going to be a little bit more smaller and less of, and if you're carrying a checked bag, you can obviously take more items. So you want to consider that. Secondly, how long you're going to be on your trip for. And then again, that kind of goes hand in hand with if you're going to be bringing a carry-on or a checked bag, because going for a long trip, you might want to do a checked bag, short trip, carry-on. So that's totally up to you. And then the third thing you want to be mindful of, so you want to know, of course, the occasion of what you're going to be doing. What different activities are you going to be getting into? Because then, of course, that's going to help you choose your items to pack, right? So once you have determined those 3 things, once again, how long you're going to be staying on your trip, if you're bringing a carry-on or a checked bag, and lastly, what type of things are you going to be doing. Once you have determined those 3 things, then you want to start pulling your things out of your closet that you kind of have an eye on, that you're interested in wearing, and try them on. Okay, so the worst thing is you just wing it. You're like, oh yeah, it's shorts and this and that. And then you go on your trip, you got your bras and everything, your panties, and then your bra does not match up with your shirt because it's a tank top. You need a strapless bra. You got some panties where, you know, your panty liner is showing, whatever the case may be. So you want to make sure you're feeling comfortable on your trip. So try your outfits on. So that's what your girl is doing right here.
Just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, am I weak.
Alright, so you had fun trying your outfits on. I mean, it should be a fun time, right? I turned my music on because you're getting hyped up for your trip, right? You're getting hyped up. You're finally going on that vacation. Finally going somewhere new. Might be going with the new boo, you know? So you gotta be excited about trying your stuff on. So once you had fun of trying on all your outfits, then I would suggest laying them out on the bed, so that way they're all categorized there together. In my case, I'm gonna put them here on this table so that I can really zoom in and show you guys exactly how I fold my items and how I pack. Roll your accessories into the outfit you're going to be wearing it with. Use a shoe bag to prevent your clothes from getting dirty. Roll your undergarments into your outfit. Don't forget your swimwear and your beach towel. Pack a laundry bag to put your dirty clothes in. Protect your sunglasses and roll it into the outfit you will be wearing it with. Alright, so another thing that I want to mention is, let's say, you have your bag all packed. You went through all my little tips and tricks. You're proud of yourself. You got everything folded, your accessories. Then it's like, okay, you got to beat your face while you're on vacation, right? So your makeup bag. Okay, so if you're like me, you have some things in your makeup bag that you can't put into your pack bag because you're going to need it for when you're getting ready to go to the airport, right? So what I would suggest doing is, if you're somewhat forgetful, which is okay, I got you, pack your bag, close it up, write yourself a note, okay, that says makeup bag. Put it onto your packed suitcase, so that way before your little boo, your gentleman in your life, or if you're just solo dolo doing it, that's all right too, sis. Before they take your bag and put it in the car, whatnot, you'll see the sign, oh yeah, okay, shoot, my makeup bag, so because we don't want to forget that, right? I've done it before, and who wants to be trying to rummaging at your new destination trying to find some makeup or makeup brushes? You don't want to do that. So make yourself a little sign, and that goes for things like your umbrella, or I know some people, they like to bring their own specific pillow, but you're going to sleep that night, so you can't pack up your pillow. So write yourself a note, put it on your packed suitcase pillow. That way, before your bag is taken away and put into the trunk, you won't forget things like that. Okay. All right, so I hope that this video has helped you all pack more efficiently so that you do not forget any of your items. The highlights of the video that I really want to touch on are, don't forget your accessories, sis. You don't want to get caught slipping and forget your shades that go with your new outfit, and your earrings and the ring and your watch, whatever. Don't forget your accessories. Always roll them up into your outfit. Put them in the pockets of the, outfits that you're going to be wearing. If they don't have pockets, put in your shoes. Then, when it comes to your shoes, I like to, I have plenty of shoe bags. If you don't have a shoe bag, don't fret, sis. Just use that old little plastic Walmart bag. Put your shoes in there so that your soles don't get dirty on your clean clothes, okay? Another thing that I like to do when I get to my accommodation is I like to unfold everything, iron it, because if you're doing the rolling method, don't think that you're gonna unroll it and it's gonna have no wrinkles, sis. Like, make sure you iron your clothes, hang it up, so that way when you're on your trip, it's easy for you to just roll through your little hangers and find your completed outfit, okay? So I hope that this is helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Pass it on to someone who needs it. That friend who's always forgetting something, asking, can they borrow your things, or can you, wear this jeans or this top, whatever. Pass it on to them. Make sure you subscribe. I have some trips coming up that I know you're gonna be excited to see. Miami and New Orleans. Hey, here I come. And guess what? I bet you I won't forget anything because I got it all packed. All right, you guys, I am out. Remember, life can be only what you make it, and I will see you on the next one.